Hey everyone, this is Bola Shokumbi. I'm the founder and CEO of Clever Girl Finance, and I'm also the author of the book Clever Girl Finance: Ditch Debt, Save Money, and Build Real Wealth. Welcome to Clever Girl Finance TV. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing 10 key tips for your business finances if you are starting a side hustle and you are new to managing your business finances. Because when it comes to business, you work so hard, you put in all these extra hours, and when you start to earn money, as you start to plan your business growth, as you start to spend money, you want to make sure that you're doing things in a way that will allow you to be mindful of your business finances and also help you leverage your business as a wealth building opportunity for yourself. And so I'm going to go over 10 key tips to keep in mind as you think about and manage your business finances. So many people tell me that they struggle with managing their business finances, either for their side hustle or their full-time business, because it's complicated, they are so busy. However, you really want to prioritize your business finances so that you can minimize the stress and also minimize the cost associated later if you have any issues. So these 10 tips will definitely help you. So tip number 1, open a business bank account. This is very obvious, but so many people do not open a business bank account. What they do is use their personal account for their business transactions, and it becomes a whole entire mess. You want to make sure that you can accurately track your business finances and that you can avoid any issues with the IRS, with tax filing, with accounting, etc. So it's really important to have that separation of assets where your personal finances, your personal business accounts are just for your personal life, and then you have your business accounts specific to your business transactions. And what you can do as your business starts to grow, start to earn money, you can track withdrawals from your business accounts in the form of either payroll or paying yourself a salary, depending on your business structure. And speaking of business structure, that leads me into tip number 2, which is to review your business structure. So most people start out their businesses as sole proprietorships or LLCs, but it's really important that you are clear on the protections that your current business structure offers you. I definitely recommend at the very minimum having an LLC because this provides you with a veil of legal protection that separates your personal assets from your business assets in the event that there are any issues or lawsuits around your business. You may also want to consider getting an S Corp or a C Corp depending on your business and your business goals. And so you can spend some time at sba.gov, the website, doing research on the different types of business structures to determine what's going to work best for your business where it is right now. And you can always change your business structure by filing specific documentation. Number 3, you want to organize your business finances. This means you want to have some sort of tracking of your business transactions, your accounts, your business documents, etc. By staying organized, you will save time and you will also save money, and you will know where everything is and also what's happening with your business financially. And there are some really great apps out there that can help you with organizing your business finances. For example, QuickBooks Self-Employed or QuickBooks Online or Wave apps or FreshBooks. These are all really great tools that you can leverage to help you organize your business finances and your business transactions, and then create a file folder, either a protected folder on your computer or a physical folder where you track your important business documents like your registration documents, your business structure documents, and etc. Number 4, get a good accountant. And it's important to have a good accountant because filing business taxes can get really complicated. And so your accountant can help you do this. They can also help you stay on top of any tax law changes and take advantage of any tax benefits that exist. Keep in mind that your accountant their job is not to take over your business finances so that you could ignore it. You still want to stay on top of your business finances on a day-to-day, month-to-month basis, and you want to make sure that you understand what your accountant is doing whenever they're reviewing your business finances to prepare for your tax filing. Number 5, create a business emergency savings account. And this is something that I really prioritize up there. The same way that you have emergency savings for your personal life is the same way that you want to have emergency savings for your business, because life happens in your personal life and life also happens in business. You may have a slow month, a slow quarter, a slow week, and you still have expenses to cover. And so by having a business emergency account, you're able to cover those expenses without stressing yourself out and without having to leverage debt. So I'm all about having a buffer of cash set aside specifically for your business, and you can put this money in a business savings account. And the way you can save this money is by creating a business budget, which we'll talk about shortly, and then building in a line item into this budget where you're saving money every time you have money coming into your business as profits, and you're putting this money in a business emergency account. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, hit the like button below. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and tell your best girlfriends about Clever Girl Finance, and follow us on Instagram at Clever Girl Finance. We have a great time engaging there, and stop by the clevergirlfinance.com website. We have over 30 plus completely free courses to help you on your journey to financial wellness. Okay, let's get back to these tips. Number 6, you want to create an account to save for taxes. So if your business is making money and you are earning a profit, you are likely going to have to pay some taxes. And even if it isn't, you may have some tax benefits that you can take advantage of. So if your business is making money, you want to make sure that you're putting money aside in a savings account to cover your potential tax obligation. And it's a good idea to save 25 to 30% of any profits you have in a separate account so that you can pay those quarterly tax requirements towards your business tax obligation. Your accountant will be able to provide you with specific guidance, but I do know that it is more effective to pay your taxes quarterly, right, versus paying them at the end of the year, specifically when it comes to your business. However, you can talk to your tax accountant specifically around your own business to determine what's going to work best for you. Number 7, what I mentioned earlier, create a business budget. And again, just like you have a budget for your personal life, you want to have a budget for your business. You want to be able to understand where your money is going in your business. You want to be able to plan your income, your business income versus your business expenses. And you also want to be able to create line items within your budget to save for emergencies, save for future projects, save for taxes, etc. So basically having a business budget is going to be a guide as to what is happening with your finances, and you want to check in with this budget periodically. So you can create your business budget every month or for a few months in advance, and you can leverage that budget as a forecast of what you want to spend and track it against what you're actually spending and also what you're actually earning. Keep in mind that when you create your business budget, you're going to have, depending on your business, both fixed and variable expenses. And your fixed expenses are your expenses that do not change from month to month. So for example, a fixed expense could be your web hosting fee. A variable expense, on the other hand, is an expense that may change from month to month. So for example, it may cost you a certain amount of money this month to create a certain amount of products, but next month you may need to create less or more products, and that will cost you less or more money. And that is a variable expense. So you want to accommodate for those when you are creating your budget, or at least review your budget and adjust those variable expenses as necessary. Number 8, you want to pay yourself a salary from your business the right way. And so typically when people are able to pay themselves a salary from their business is when their business is actually earning money, when it gets to profitability. However, you do not want to pull out all your profits from your business. Otherwise, you can't reinvest back into your business. So you want to make sure that if you're pulling money out of your business to pay yourself a salary, you're still leaving enough money in the business to keep the business afloat and to be able to meet your business obligations and really continue to track against your budget. Number 9, get business insurance. And having business insurance is your backup to your emergency fund because it can save you a lot of money in the event of an incident or a liability or a lawsuit. So there are different types of business insurance you can get, including property insurance, errors and emissions insurance, vehicle insurance. If you have a vehicle you use for your business, you want to make sure you have the right kind of insurance for your business type and that you're protecting your business by leveraging insurance. Obviously, nobody wants to have a situation that will require insurance, but it is better to be safe than to be sorry, because not having insurance can be very, very, very expensive. And number 10, avoid building a business on debt with no plan to pay it back. So, I'm not a huge fan of starting a side hustle, starting your business using a credit card if you do not know how you're going to earn the money to pay down that debt as quickly as possible. So sometimes people feel pressure to grow as fast as possible, and so they go out and take on all this debt to build a business, but they haven't figured out how they're going to market their products. They haven't figured out what the cost of their products are going to be. They haven't figured out, the ideal buyer, the ideal client, how much they're going to sell every month. They haven't figured out any of those things. So it's really important that you have a really good business plan in place. You can learn more about business plans on the Clever Girl Finance blog, but you want to have a really good business plan in place, and you want to make sure that you're able to figure out how you're going to start bringing money into your business initially, and then start putting money aside in a business savings account to plan for future projects, to plan for business growth, and minimize and be very mindful of how you leverage debt to grow your business until you know absolutely that you are able to pay that debt back if you have to leverage debt. So how do you manage your business finances? I would love to know. Leave a comment below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video if you have enjoyed watching it. Subscribe to this channel. Tell your best girlfriends about Clever Girl Finance, and head on over to Instagram to follow us at Clever Girl Finance, and be sure to stop by the clevergirlfinance.com website. We have over 30 plus completely free courses. They are free to help you as you work on improving your finances. Thank you for tuning in. I will talk to you next time.